I'm John Williams from Williams & Son Services. Here today to demonstrate how to properly clean out a septic tank. We have a 1,000-gallon tank we're going to clean out, and we'll show you how it should look when we're done. Okay, we're here at the septic tank. We're getting ready to clean it out, and if you can look down in there, you can see that the waste is almost up to the top. We typically like to see it about 6 to 10 inches from the top, so it's a little higher than we like to see it. It means the leach field's working a little slower than we want to. Should be down at the proper level. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and get our power stir here and stir this up. Okay, we got it all stirred up, and I'm going to go ahead and start the pump up in the truck, and I'll be right back. All right, we got the hose here. Now we're going to go ahead and put it in, and we have the remote control open and close here to open it. Usually takes about 10 minutes to half an hour to pump the tank out. As it's cleaned down here, we make sure you rinse the tank completely out so there's nothing left in here. A lot of companies will leave 2, 3, 4 inches in the bottom, and we always make sure it's cleaned out like it's new every time we run it. As we get it down to where it's cleaned completely out, we're going to go ahead and have the customer flush the commode to make sure it comes in properly the way it should.